How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands naturally in one day. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is extensions. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do the claw stretch for 20 seconds. So again, just squeeze really, really tight and hold for 20 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do curls. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're gonna go back to extensions. Forty reps, perfect, quick little break. We're then gonna do squeezes, so get your hands squeezed really, really tight. Hold for 20 seconds. Perfect, quick little break. Then we're just gonna move our fingers back and forth like this. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.